Welcome to this impeccably presented north-facing penthouse-style apartment right here in the heart of Mosman. My name's Anthony O'Gorman, and on behalf of the team at O'Gorman & Partners, we're incredibly excited to show you through. Split level in its design, the interiors are alive with natural light spilling out to an adjoining due north facing entertaining terrace. The designer kitchen anchors the open plan living area, and it's appointed with Miele appliances, stone splashbacks and stone bench tops. Peacefully positioned at the rear of the esteemed Bond Apartments, discover the absolute convenience of this prime Mosman address located within moments of vibrant cafes, boutique shopping and express bus transport to the city. So as you can see, what an incredible opportunity. Within a 5-minute level walk, you have the best of everything that Mosman has to offer. I look forward to seeing you at the next open home.